Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing and it's this little baby. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner from Vax, and I bought it directly from Vax for £249 rather than going through Amazon. The reason for that is it was a couple of quid cheaper than Amazon. It also comes with an accessory pack which is normally about £49. So you'd have to put that on top of that price, which made it a lot more expensive to buy from Amazon or anywhere else online that I could find. They was all pretty dear, whereas Vax was doing a special deal. I don't know, when you've seen this video, they probably still had the deal up there. It's been up there for quite a while from what I can tell, and I know other people have also bought this. My son's actually bought one of these, and I had a look and I thought it was excellent. This is the 40 volt one. They did do a 32 volt one, but they've upgraded now to 40 volt, and this is that one. So the idea behind it is you fix it to a wall near a socket, hopefully, so you can plug it in, leave it plugged in, and it's permanently charged, ready to go. And it says on the packaging it will last up to 45 minutes to charge, which is hopefully long enough for you to do your house with. If not, go back to the old one. But no, I'm hoping to use it for most things, like doing the car, doing the bits around computer components, not the fragile bits, just things like the computer cases, stuff like that. But there is a danger of static electricity, so you have to bear that in mind, be very careful when you're using it. And I wouldn't recommend you did use it. I will probably use it, and that's my own personal risk. If I get static and it damages the PC, that's down to me. So I don't want you doing it or listening to me do it. It's purely up to you whether you want to risk that. But I will be using it on my computers to keep them clean, and all my other gadgets, my keyboards and that, especially on my keyboard, because it get right down into the bits. So with that, till we get on with the unboxing, I've already got my knife out, just in case. Oh, and it's going to be a box in a box. Should have known, shouldn't I? See that? I'll get it out of this box. I need another desk. I need another one of these, so I can put it on there and raise it up and down. Get that out of the way. So here's your accessory pack. I'll just quickly show you around it. So like I said, it's a Vax Cordless Pro Kit, it says on there. Let's try and get it so you're not bouncing off the light too much. See that? So like I say, this has all the little accessories in there: textile tool, dust brush, tough dirt, flexi crevice tool, stretch hose. So yeah, that's quite handy to have. That lots of little bits in there. So I'll move that out of the way for now, because this is the big baby. Like I said, it's called a Vax Blade 2 Max. I said 45 minutes, didn't I? 45-minute charge. No loss of suction, 45 minutes of continuous performance, enough to clean your whole home twice in one single charge. Well, that really depends on how fast you are. Oh, it actually comes with a little handle as well, which is quite nice. Packaging, I think, is really good. It says on top, multi-surface cleaning performance with no loss of suction. So we all like a bit of suction, don't we? So I'll say no more on that. I'll get my knife out again. That's that done. How are we going to do this? I'm just trying to figure out the best way to present this. Oh, I'm going to have to cut it along now. Don't. That's better. Turn it around so you can see. Obviously you're going to get your instructions. And there's a couple of screws and a couple of wall plugs in there. So it's going to be bolted to the wall. It's probably going my hallway. So I'll move that out of the way for now. Let's have a look at the bits. You've got your little brush, your standard brushes, yeah, which you would expect anyway. Your long hose, for little things. It's quite wide actually. We've got here. Oh, a little bracket by the looks of it. It's a old one of your tools in by the looks of it. I'm guessing now, so I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's what it is. So what have we got over here? Power bank. Oh, so there's your plug. Quite a big plug. Obviously it does everything inside there rather than having a little charging bank thing. And looking at that, I'd say probably a couple of meters of cable on there as well. And it says Vax on it, so that's alright. So is that it? Oh, what's this? And your hoover itself, or your vacuum brush roller there. It doesn't feel cheap, it feels like good quality stuff. And I'm not just saying that, I mean it really does feel good quality. It doesn't feel like it's going to break in 5 minutes, which is a good thing. So it says Vax dust tracker, there you go. I'm going to put that back in there at the moment. I can't even remember how it goes in. I can't actually. Oh my god. I think it went that way, didn't it? It went like that, didn't it? Or something like that, I think. Yeah, there you go, sussed it. So what we'll do, we'll take this bit out. Oh, yes. And there's the bits underneath, which we're going to have to assemble at some point. So what's this? I don't know what that does. It looks like part of the suction, of course. Or it looks like a handle anyway. So there's a handle. There you go. Ah, right, okay. So this should be a dust collector. Get out of the way. Yeah, dust collector. Nothing special. It says Vax Blade 2 Max. See that? Still there on the floor for now. And this has got to be the motor, isn't it? So this is the motor, I would have thought. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so that'd be the motor. Sussed it now, haven't we? And then what you got here? You've got your pipe to go between the brush and the motor, and that connects everything together. What's this? Don't know what that is, but obviously we'll find out in a second. And that's about it. So that's the unboxing out of the way. Now it's time for the assembly. Shall we read the manual? Nah. Let's see if we can work it out ourselves. So that. So this must go on here somehow. I would have thought something like that. Maybe, or round that way. Ah, look. Yeah, I think I got it. Yes. That was clever. I'm not sure what that does yet, but I would imagine that that would go, yeah, like that. Oh, I think it needs to, oh. Press the button by mistake. Where's the head? Right, let's get the head out. So it looks like it's already partly charged. And then that goes in there. So that's all looked in. There, we're out. I'm not sure what that does yet, but I'm sure we'll find out. Must be something to do with the accessory. Oh, I think I've sussed it already. It's a clamp. So this goes to the wall. And that fits in like that. So that holds it onto the wall for its charge. So it'll sit like that while it's being charged up. So that was quite easy to work out, wasn't it? So now I've assembled it. It's quite light actually. I'll try and find out what the weight is, but yeah, not very heavy at all. Let's start her up. So you've got on. Oh, has it gone flat on me? Plus. Wow. That's turbo mode. Oh, that's the brush. I quite like the little light. It's quite good. It's quite noisy, but it looks very nice. So what I'll do now, I'll fix it up to the wall, give it a proper charge, because it was only on one bar, it needs to be fully charged, and then we'll carry on with the video. So while that's charging up, what we'll do, we'll have a look at the Vax Cordless Pro Kit, where I got for free, which is £49 to buy online. Because I bought it from Vax, it's part of the package. So I'll just show you around the box. I've already cut the seal, just to save a bit of time. Let's have a look. So you get a premium toolkit. Let's get started. What it says, just shows you what they do basically. Not a lot to see really. Oh, comes with a little bag. I think that's a bag. Looks like a bag. It is a bag. So you get a bag. You can put all your bits in the bag. Let's have a look. So you get an extension hose, which is handy. I'll try not to break it. Feels alright. A little nosy bit. Does that extend? Oh, it doesn't all. That's quite clever. So I imagine that would just fit on there somehow. Yep. Then you've got the extension, and it turns quite easily as well. So there's a Vax, it's called a Vax Flexi, and a Vax Stretch. Obviously it stretches, and that's flexi because you can make it smaller or bigger. What else? Oh, so you get another brush, so that's two of them because you get one with the main body anyway. That's called a Vax Dust. Actually, I'll need to move that light back. Stay. That's got a wobble. That's a Vax Dust. What else? A Vax Tactile. That was quite hard, so yeah. Pretty good. So, what do you get? That's four items. You get 4 items plus the bag. So 5 items, I suppose. Okay, like that. So you have to push it in. That's to push it in and put it in. Snaps in. Okay. I'm not sure what I'd use that on because it's quite stiff. Oh, it's got a little clip here thing. I think that comes off by the look. Yeah, it does. Ah. See, another little thing I just found out. That's quite easy to do. So that's the little extra kit that I've got. What I do now, as soon as the main body's all charged up fully, we give it a proper test and see how we get on. And I'll also show you where I bolted it to. So I found a new home for it, so decided to put it there, which I think is ideal. It's fully charged now because all the lights have gone out. So we're going to unplug it and we're going to put it to the test. Yeah, easy enough. Oh yeah, look, cable tidy management bit there, which is really good. Holds in the cables, stops it dragging on the floor. So what I'll do, I've got some dirt over that side. We'll move the camera about, get the Hoover out. So this is normal mode. Put the roller on. And that was really easy to do. Sort of dragged you along actually. Oh, wants to pull me mat up. Wants to fly. so that's the unboxing of this Vax. I'll put a link in the description in case you decide you want to buy one. And if you have any comments, please post them below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And thank you very much for watching.